In this video, I'll show you how to fix you can only use Spotify abroad for 14 days. And if you want the easiest solution right away, you can use NordVPN with the link in the description to keep your Spotify location consistent no matter where you are. Now let's go step by step so you can remove this restriction completely. This message usually appears when Spotify detects that you've been using your account outside your home country for too long. To fix it, open your browser and go to the Spotify website. Log into your account, click your profile icon in the top right corner, and open your account settings. Inside your profile details, scroll until you see the country or region section. This shows the country your account is currently linked to. If this doesn't match the country you're physically in, or the country your payment method belongs to, Spotify automatically triggers the 14-day limit. Click the country menu, select the correct country, and save your profile. This usually fixes the problem instantly for free users. If you're on Spotify Premium, you may also have to update your payment method so it matches the country you selected. Premium users must have both the region and the payment method aligned, or Spotify keeps blocking access no matter how many times you refresh. If you don't want to change your country because you're traveling temporarily, or you want to keep using your home region, the easiest method is to use a VPN, and the best option for this is NordVPN. Just use the link in the description, download NordVPN, and connect to a server in your home country before opening Spotify. Once you're connected, restart Spotify, and the location check will match the region your account is tied to, removing the 14-day error instantly. This works on both mobile and desktop. You can also try logging out and logging back in after updating your region or connecting to NordVPN. If you're on the mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version, because older versions sometimes cause region mismatches, even when your settings are correct. If the issue continues, you can contact Spotify support. They can check if your account has a region lock, or if something needs to be manually fixed on their end. And if you want the most reliable way to avoid this problem completely, use NordVPN. It keeps your location consistent, stops the 14-day restriction, and gives you fast and secure access every time you open Spotify. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.